Joy Hind. Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Genuine Funda. Today I discuss some important basic mathematical points. Okay. What is face value or intrinsic value? Face value of a digit describes the value of the digit itself. What is place value or local value? A place value describes the position or place of a digit in a given number. Example, what is the face value and place value of 6 in the numeral 536749? Answer, face value of 6 is 6. And place value of 6 is 6 into 1000. That means unit 10, 100, 1000. So answer 6000. Example, what is the face value and place value of 0 in the numeral 530749? Answer, face value of 0 is 0 and place value of 0 equals 0 into 1000. That means unit 10, 100, 1000. So answer is 0. Why? That means notes the place value of 0 in any number is always 0. 0 may hold any place in a number. That means 0 may hold any place in a number, but its value will remain to be 0. Okay? What is integer? All counting numbers 0 and negative of counting numbers form the set of integers. Example, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. It is denoted by Z or I. That means integer. Integer is denoted by Z or I. The natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. are called positive integers. The numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. are called negative integers. Is 0 a positive integer? Answer, the number 0 is an integer. It is neither positive nor negative. Okay? There is no largest and no smallest integers. Every integer has a successor as well as a predecessor. Consecutive integers means the integers next to one another. There is no integers between any two consecutive integers, and there is at least one integer between two non-consecutive integers. Okay? Example, there is no integers between two consecutive integers 3 and 4. B, there is no integers between consecutive integers -3 and -4. C, there is at least one integer between two non-consecutive integers 3 and 5 is 4. there is at least one integers between two non-consecutive integers -3 and -5 is -4. Okay. What is additive inverse? That means what is additive inverse? Answer: the value which on adding with the original number results in 0 value is called additive inverse. Additive inverse is also called the opposite of the numbers. The additive inverse, that means opposite number of a positive number, is negative. The additive inverse of a negative number is positive. Okay. The rational number 0 is the additive inverse of itself. Rules: the additive inverse of any integer a is -a, and additive inverse of -a is a. Example: additive inverse of an integer 5 is -5, and additive inverse of -5 is 5. Okay. Is additive inverse and additive identity same? No, both are different. Additive inverse is the added to get the result as 0, and additive identity is the value that is added to get the original number, which is 0. Okay. What is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse? An expression which, when multiplied by another expression, gives 1 as a product is called reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. The reciprocal of any quantity is 1 divided by that quantity. It is similar to turning the number upside down. It is also found by interchanging the numerator and denominator. Rules: reciprocal of an integer a is 1 upon a, and reciprocal of 1 upon a is a. One is called the multiplicative identity. Example: reciprocal of an integer 15 is 1 upon 15, and reciprocal of an integer is 8 by 15 is 15 by 8. What is the reciprocal of 0? The number 0 does not have a reciprocal, because if any reciprocal number is multiplied by 0, it will not give the product as 1. It will result in 0. What is the reciprocal of infinity? That means, what is the reciprocal of infinity? The reciprocal of infinity is 0. It means that 1 upon infinity equals 0. It is noted that the reciprocal of infinity is 0 exactly, which means not infinitesimal. That is, infinitesimal means closer to 0. All the numbers have reciprocal except 0. The rational number 0 has no reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. The rational number is 0, that is equal to its negative. The rational number 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals or equal reciprocals. Two fractions are reciprocal of each other if their product is 1. Example, 5 into 1 by 5 equal 1. Also, 11 by 19 into 19 by 11 equal 1. The product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. The reciprocal of a positive rational number is positive. The reciprocal of a negative rational number is negative. Difference between additive inverse and reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Additive inverse, it is added to their original number to get 0. Reciprocal inverse, it is multiplied to the original number to get 1. Results in 0, results in 1. Sign of the original number is changed and added. Reciprocal of the original number is multiplied. Example, 99 plus minus 99 equal 0. This example, 99 into 1 by 99 equal 1. Okay, thank you. Next time আরো ইম্পর্টেন্ট ভিডিও নিয়ে আসবো। Okay, my dear viewer, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also like, comments and share.